Surprise my girl at gymnastics.
Oh, cool, huh? Look at you.
I'm home now. I need to eat. I picked up a prescription. I went and got my nails done. I got a pedicure. And Liv got her first pedicure, my daughter. And then I'm going to make some matcha. And then I'm going to work on my class. And then look at these earrings my husband got me. aka I picked them up myself from Baleen. But look, came with this. And that's it. So, and then I got the, here I'll show you the set, silver ones. It's actually one earring. It kind of takes some finessing. But yeah, it's so cute. So it's a sustainable brand, handmade, and it is filled, not plated, which is supposed to be better. I'm out of the law, I got a manicure, I got gel, and I got regular polish on my toes. And yeah, I've not ate anything today. I'm starving. But I have the house to myself for a while. I got gas too. So yeah, I need to figure out what to eat. Maybe do like a little salad or something. I want to make, actually, I'm going to soak some lentils because I want to make some gluten-free tortillas. So I've been on this FODMAP diet and I've been having some stomach issues, so that's why I went on the diet. It's only for a couple weeks, and then I'm going to incorporate some of the foods back, but I think I'm kind of sensitive to gluten. Like I was doing oat milk, gluten, bread, gluten, which I think I'm going to try sprouted breads as well. As I just want to make my own. I want to make a lot of my own stuff now that I have time. Bagels, gluten. So I think that's what it was just way too much gluten. And I have not had any, I still have acid reflux. I feel like I'll always have acid reflux, but way less stomach issues than before. But I do miss my apples. I do miss my coffee. I've actually been switching more to matcha than coffee. Here, I'll show you the brand. I use the Jade Leaf brand. It does come in a plastic bag, but then it comes in here, and then I have the jar that I pour into. I have a subscription because I do get this pretty often. Like I have 2 matchas a day, and I have been making my own almond milk. I know, look at me. Yeah, I'm gonna make my own. I'm gonna make a little salad, but yeah, I just want to make my own bread. I want to make my own things so that I know what's in them as well, because that is that's sort of annoying, not knowing what you're really getting. And then also for my stomach issues, and because it's cheaper. Stuff is expensive. I saw $10 bread. Are you kidding me? Whereas how much does it cost to make? Like seriously, it's crazy. So yeah, I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna work on my cert. I do miss my dressings, but a lot of stuff has garlic, and even though I love garlic, that's an inflammatory. So I'm gonna use some red wine vinegar, just a little bit, because I don't like stuff super vinegary. So I made my own Nutella, even though my oldest said it didn't have enough chocolate in it. So I'm gonna have to work on that a little bit. And yeah, but it was felt weird not wearing earrings. I just got a CT scan, so I'm gonna make myself some lunch and I'll work on my cert. And it feels so nice wearing makeup again. I'm gonna have some crackers too. I'm really, really hungry. And one of my best friends had her baby. Finally, 50-hour labor. I just cannot believe it. Oh, also I was having protein bars and protein balls that had gluten. We need to get some more peanut butter. Honestly, I might just make my own peanut butter today. We're running out of peanuts. I need to go to the bulk store and get more peanuts. I want to make, again, more stuff on my own because there's so much crap and junk in a lot of stuff. And yeah, so I'm a work in progress. And I'm going to make for Arya's birthday, my oldest's birthday. I cannot believe she's turning 7 at the end of the month. Like, excuse me. Even though no one believes me when I say I have 2 kids and my oldest is going to be 7. They're like, you don't even look like old enough to have kids. I'm like, yeah, I know, but I do. So I'm going to make her for her birthday, I'm going to make her a ice cream cake with strawberry ice cream. She's not really a big chocolate fan. She's not even really a big sweets fan. I'm going to make a vegan, gluten-free, which most cakes are, a lot of them are gluten-free anyway if they're vegan. But a vegan, gluten-free strawberry ice cream cake. And then for her birthday party, I'm making her vegan, gluten-free cupcakes, strawberry cupcakes. That's what she wants. So yeah, let's yapping. Let's get this done. Eating money. There's my feet. I'm trying to figure out what to watch. We have Netflix with ads and Hulu with ads. So much cheaper, and I really do like Netflix. There are a lot of good things. We're watching a lot of good shows. We're watching You, but I made myself some dinner. Tempeh, I think it's peas and lentil pasta and then some green beans. And then I put some, I think it's Daya, I don't know, some type of vegan cheese. Let me know if you want recommendations for vegan cheese because I've tried, I feel like most of them. And then, yeah, salt and vinegar, or not, it's like red wine, some mixture, salt and pepper from Trader Joe's. I don't know if they sell it still, but it doesn't have garlic in it. I love my garlic, but I'm on this FODMAP diet for another week. It's gluten because I've been feeling a lot better. And then I finished a lot of my cert. It's like assignments basically. It's like a test, a Westlaw assignment, and it's called a reflection assignment. So I finished the reflection assignment, and then I'm getting there with the test, and then I haven't started the Westlaw assignment. But yeah, so and then I'll be done with section 9, and then I have 10, 11, and 12, and then I'm done. It's a self-paced course to get my paralegal certification. So yeah, but Rob, my husband, and my youngest were at my in-laws. My father-in-law works on cars, so especially Dodge, Chryslers, stuff like that. So he was working on the van, and they're home now. It's like so late. Usually she's in bed at 8, and it's like 9ish. I know she's already fell asleep though, but yeah, I spent the night to myself. It was nice. Well, as you can tell, someone's home. So enjoy videos like this. My husband's about to come up, and we're gonna watch a show, and I'm gonna eat, and he's probably gonna fall asleep on the couch. And yeah, then we're gonna go to bed. Well, I'm gonna take my makeup off, obviously, brush my teeth, and go to bed. So enjoy videos like this. I don't get a lot of days myself. Can't even remember the last one. I would click subscribe, and I mostly do beauty videos. Stay safe, healthy. Always something that makes you happy. And there's my hubby. And I will see you in my next video. Let me know if you like vlogs. Bye.